And now your Fox 34 Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Matt Ernst.
It's going to get cold in a while or in a few minutes, or it's been cold for a while. That's what one of these fronts will do. It's been slowly edging into the area. So from Turkey, Dimmitt, Crescent, Tulia, you're saying that north wind is kicking up. It's cold, but down to the southwest, we still have 57 at Seminole, 60 at Lamesa. It's going to be a while before the front makes it farther south, but it'll make it all across the region. Much colder next few days. Likely snow late tomorrow. And Wednesday morning is when we're watching. We'll probably have some travel issues. But look at the sunsets tonight. You can always send these into weather at fox34.com. Blair captured this right here at the station. Just a fantastic sunset. And look at the Texas flag off to the right there. Jeff Haxton captured, actually I forgot to update, he was not at the station there. I was switching some of the photos out. Had so many of these beautiful sunset photos tonight, and just not going to be seeing much of the sun over the next couple of days. It's going to be turning much colder. So we're still at 50 with an east wind at 10, dropping off to 35 in the morning. Then we'll drop off to about 33 at noon. Then we'll drop off below freezing by the afternoon. Temperature will be dropping through the day, the wind picking up, and maybe some showers in the afternoon. So this is where we're going to start tomorrow morning. See how the cold air builds on in. It gets colder through the afternoon, 20s to the north, 40s to the southwest, about 31 for the afternoon temp here in Lubbock. You'll see that wind. I already mentioned it's gusting north of the city. All of us will have that north wind through the morning. Here it's up 15, 20, 25 miles per hour. Even into the afternoon, into the evening, it really doesn't back off much. So it's going to be a cold and windy day. Now let's talk about the snow for tomorrow night. During the afternoon, maybe a few showers out there, but it's tomorrow night we'll be watching for these showers to move on through. So the front pushes its way on through. It gets cold, maybe a little bit of snow up in the panhandle tomorrow morning. See how the clouds really thicken up here. And by the afternoon shows a little bit of green, meaning maybe a little bit of rain or a rain-snow mix for the afternoon. It's by the evening you start to see much more widespread coverage of showers moving on up, 7 o'clock tomorrow night, on through tomorrow late night, all the way through Wednesday morning. So a pretty wide window here for snow. It may be snowing as you come out of the USA tomorrow night. That's an 8 o'clock tip. No snow on the court, but you'll see through all the way Wednesday morning here potential for more snow before it clears on out. This is what we're thinking at this point. Some computers have the core of the snow on top of our area. Others have shifted farther southeast. I think about 2, maybe 4 inches of snow common around Lubbock. That's why it's worded that way, because it could be a little bit less, a little bit more. I think lesser amounts to the north, 2 to 4 here, heavier amounts to the southeast. But want to stress, we're going to have some isolated heavier bands. The snow that we had last winter, that was December 2018, that was a narrow band right on top of Lubbock. Those are very tough to nail down exactly where they're going to be. I think if we get heavier bands, probably southeast, but maybe it could wind up a little bit closer or elsewhere on the Cap Rock. So we're under a winter storm watch from noon tomorrow all the way through Wednesday evening. And winter storm watches run from the Big Bend all the way on up to Muskogee and Tulsa. And it's okay to be a Okie from Muskogee. Nonetheless, looking at very cold weather here over the next couple of days. A couple of inches, pretty likely, maybe 3-4 inches. Always tough trying to nail down the exact amounts, but I'm not buying into some of the computers showing much higher amounts. That said, we do think there'll be some isolated heavier bands out there, so Wednesday morning, probably slow travel. Still may have some issues Thursday morning. Wind chill will probably be 0 Wednesday morning. It is going to warm up for the weekend.
So if we make it through a couple of days, 2.5 days, we'll be all right, right?
Let's hope so.
For now.
Yeah,
okay.
Let's hope so. At least we can look at that sunshine here in just a few days.
You bet. All right. Thanks, Matt.